Welcome to Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park in sunny Orlando, Florida. Nestled amidst the palm trees and snow-capped mountains lies an adventure like no other: snowstormers. Take this snowy mountain by storm as you slalom down one of 3 winding water slides. Lay on a toboggan-style mat on your belly and careen down a zigzag course headfirst to the bottom of Mount Gushmore. Bank through twists and turns as you fly past the flag markers of the slalom gates, like in a real downhill ski race. Get ready to race down the slopes on these thrilling toboggan slides, twisting and turning through the slalom gates as you descend. Feel the rush of the icy wind against your face as you carve your way down the mountain, surrounded by the whimsical theming of Blizzard Beach. And after your exhilarating ride on snowstormers, why not extend the fun by staying in one of our luxurious vacation pool villas? Located just minutes away from snowstormers at Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park, our vacation home offers the perfect retreat for families and friends looking to relax and unwind after a day of water park fun. So, if you're planning a visit to snowstormers at Disney's Blizzard Beach Water Park in Orlando, make it a truly unforgettable experience by booking one of our vacation pool villas nearby. Your perfect vacation awaits!